QR codes are one of the easiest ways to distribute digital coupons, and Unicode makes it simple. But is it actually the best tool for the job? Stick around, because not only will I walk you through how to use QR codes for digital coupons in Unicode, but I'll also show you an alternative that offers a better free trial and more customization for businesses that need serious flexibility. So let's get right into it. First, in Unicode, head to the dashboard and select Create QR Code. You'll see several options, but for digital coupons, choose Coupon. This lets you create a scannable code that leads directly to a discount page, a promo landing page, or even an embedded offer. Next, customize your QR code. Unicode allows you to tweak colors, add a logo, and even track analytics. This is useful if you're running promotions and want to see how many people actually redeem your coupons. However, Unicode lacks deeper automation features like automatic expiration or dynamic offer updates without creating a new code. If your business runs frequent promotions, this can be limiting. Then, set up your landing page. Unicode provides a basic page editor, but it's not the most flexible. You can add images and a brief description, but if you want something truly customized, like a branded experience with embedded videos or upsells, you might find it a bit restrictive. Some other platforms allow for more integration with e-commerce systems, which makes it easier to track sales conversions directly from the QR code scan. Finally, distribution. Once your QR code is generated, you can download it in multiple formats and place it on flyers, receipts, or even digital ads. But here's the thing, Unicode's pricing model can get expensive if you need a high volume of scans or more advanced tracking. If you're a small business looking for budget-friendly solutions, there are alternatives that offer better scalability. Now, if you're serious about using QR codes for digital coupons, we've got an exclusive extended free trial to a better platform that offers more customization and advanced automation. Plus, we've listed a few other top-rated options that also have free trials, so you can find the best fit for your business. Check the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive perks only available through our link.